What's up everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today I have a new dance tutorial for you again. Okay, for this time I will teach you the choreography that I made to the song called My Girl by Jae.T. Okay, let's start. Alright, let's start. So for this one, we're gonna face front, simple face front. So you're gonna glide to the side. 1, 2, and tap your left shoulder. 2 and back. 3 and 4. Go 5 and 6 and 7, 8, tap. Okay. Suppose this is 1, 2. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Yes, this is 1 and 2. Continue. So from here, go back. 1 up, 3, 4, and 5. Copy. 6 and 7. And 8. I always forget. Let's try again. So we end up on 1, 2, back on 3, 4, grab, and 5, 6, and 7. So when you go up, bend, and 8. Let's combine first and second. Here we go. 5, 6, 7 and go 1, 2, 3, 4, back 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, back 3, 4 and 5, 6, cross 7 and 8. Got it? Next, from here, 7, 8, go 1 and 2. This is quick. 1 and 2, turn around on 3 and 4, step that back, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and close to 2. Copy that? Again. So from here, side 1 and 2, turn around 3 and 4, step back 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1 and 2. Continue from here, 2 and 3 and 4, up 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple as that. Let's pick up from here. 7, 8, go 1 and 2, 3 and 4, back 5, 6 and 7, 8, go 1, 2. Copy? Go 3 and 4, up 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Let's try from the beginning. 4 8. So 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, 1. Going back. 3, 4, and 5. Side 6 and 7, and 8, 1 and turn. 3 and 4, step up 5, 6 and 7, 8, punch 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good job. Now we go to the easy part. So from 7, 8, side 1, 2. Happy? 7 and 1, 2, go 3 and 4. Down. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Your hands are free. You can do anything about it. Okay? So from here to the easy part, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next step, 1 clap on 2, 3, step on 4. Isolation forward, 5, 6, step 7, 8. Gotcha. That's a simple one. So 5, 6, 7 again. 1 and 2. Double clap. So 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're gonna need to point 8. Ad lib 1, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Then last 8. So for the last 8, you're gonna go grab 1, 2, head 3, and 4. One more time, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, and 4. Jump on 5, 6. This one straight on 7. Away. Then open. Yeah! Alright, let's do everything from the beginning. By the way, if you are having a hard time getting the choreography, just rewind the video and do a slow motion, okay? Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, back, 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1 and turn, 3 and 4, back 5, 6, and 7, 8. Go 1, 2, and 3. Stop. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, back, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. At the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Away. Yeah. Good job. Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that I made today. And please don't forget, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on my videos. Okay? Also don't forget to press that notification bell so you will be notified of my future video upload. Okay? Bye bye.